Let's see the sum. It's minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 2 and the whole thing again raised to the power 2. In such sum we apply the property of anything raised to the power m is again raised to power n. So we multiply the powers together. So we will apply this property over here and it will turn out to be minus 2 by 3 is whole raised to the power of minus 2 and then again it is raised to the power of 2. We multiply the powers, so it will become 2 into 2 4 plus minus minus 4. Anything raised to the power and again raised to the power is being multiplied. The powers get multiplied. The next step is anything has a negative power, we reciprocate the number. That means the numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerator. So this can be written as 3 by minus 2 raised to the power 4. That means the numbers are reciprocated and the power turns out to be positive. The next step is, in this, whole 3 is having a power of 4 and minus 2 is having a power of 4. That means 3 is having a power of 4 and minus 2 is also having a power of 4. That means minus 2 is whole raised to the power of 4. It's not that minus doesn't have a power of 4. Minus also has a power of 4. And when a negative number has a power which is even, the number turns out to be, the answer turns out to be positive. So this will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. That means 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81 and denominator will turn out to be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 with a positive power, because we know that any negative number having an even power, that it turns out to be positive, answer turns out to be positive. So we have applied here the property when any number is raised to the power of any power and the whole thing is again raised to any power, we multiply the powers. And second step, when there is a negative power, we reciprocate the number and the power turns out to be positive. And the third thing is any negative number having an even power, the answer turns out to be positive. So the answer to this sum will become 81 by 16. Thank you. If you like my channel, like my explanation, please do subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.